Welcome to the Blood Channel, you lot. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting and transformative for your mornings. Are you tired of starting your day with bland, boring breakfasts that make you feel like you're chewing on cardboard? Do these uninspiring meals leave you feeling sluggish and bloated, like you've got a sack of potatoes in your gut? Well, listen up, because today we're about to turn your breakfast routine on its head. Get ready to revolutionize your mornings. We're diving headfirst into two delicious quinoa breakfast recipes that are not only packed with nutrients but are also incredibly tasty. These recipes are designed to help you shed those extra pounds while keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. That's right, you heard me correctly. Healthy and delicious. Imagine starting your day with a meal that excites your taste buds and fuels your body. If you're looking for breakfast ideas that don't taste like cardboard and actually make you look forward to waking up, you're in the right bloody place. Let's get cooking and make your morning something to look forward to. Alright, you Muppets, let's get down to business. Today we're diving into a breakfast that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's something that'll make you rethink your entire morning routine. First up, we've got the quinoa breakfast bowl. This isn't just any breakfast, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with more protein and fiber than you can shake a stick at, enough to keep you going through a service at bloody restaurant Gordon Ramsay, yeah? Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Now, I know what you're thinking, quinoa for breakfast, has Ramsay lost the plot? But trust me, this isn't just rabbit food. It's a versatile grain that can be the star of your morning. Trust me on this one. This isn't some poncy health fad. This is a proper breakfast that'll fuel your body and mind. It's the kind of meal that sets you up for success. Whether you're heading into a busy kitchen or a hectic office, first things first, grab yourself a saucepan and fill it with water. We're going to cook this quinoa to perfection. We're going to cook this quinoa like we mean it. None of that microwave nonsense, all right? Proper cooking brings out the best texture and flavor. We're going for proper cooking here. While the water's coming to a boil, rinse your quinoa under cold water. This step is crucial to remove the saponin, a natural coating that can make quinoa taste bitter. This gets rid of any bitterness and ensures you've got fluffy, beautiful quinoa every time. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Once the water's boiling, add your quinoa and a pinch of salt. The salt enhances the natural flavor of the quinoa. Give it a good stir, then turn the heat down to a simmer. This gentle cooking method allows the quinoa to absorb the water evenly. Put a lid on it and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes. This is where the quinoa transforms into a fluffy, tender grain. You want the quinoa to be tender and the water absorbed. If there's any excess water, just drain it off. Now, while that's cooking, let's talk toppings. This is where you can really make this breakfast bowl your own. This is where you can get really creative. Think about what flavors and textures you enjoy. We're going for fresh fruit today. Fresh fruit not only adds natural sweetness, but also a burst of vitamins and minerals. Berries are always a winner, packed with antioxidants and flavor. They're like little jewels of goodness. Slice up some strawberries, throw in a handful of blueberries, and maybe a few raspberries for good measure. The combination of these berries will give you a mix of sweet and tart flavors. Don't be shy now. We want this bowl bursting with color and freshness. Next up, nuts. Nuts add a wonderful crunch and are a great source of healthy fats. A sprinkle of chopped almonds or walnuts adds a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats. These fats are essential for brain health and keeping you full longer. And for a final flourish, a drizzle of honey or a dollop of Greek yogurt. The honey adds a touch of sweetness, while the Greek yogurt brings creaminess and a boost of protein. Now back to the quinoa. By now it should be perfectly cooked. Once it's cooked, fluff it up with a fork. This helps to separate the grains and gives it a light, airy texture. Now layer up your bowl with the quinoa fruit, nuts, and your choice of topping. This is where it all comes together. There you have it, a breakfast fit for a king, or at least a chef who knows a thing or two about good food. This bowl is not only visually stunning, but also a nutritional powerhouse. This quinoa breakfast bowl is a symphony of flavors and textures. Each bite offers something different, keeping your taste buds entertained. It's sweet, tart, crunchy, and creamy all at the same time, the perfect balance of flavors and textures. And the best part? It'll keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. No more mid-morning hunger pangs, no more mid-morning cravings for pastries, you hear me? This breakfast bowl is the perfect way to start your day on the right foot. Now, for those of you who prefer a more savory start to the day, don't think I've forgotten about you. Breakfast doesn't always have to be sweet and sugary. Sometimes, a hearty savory dish is just what you need to kickstart your morning and keep you energized throughout the day. We're about to tackle the savory quinoa breakfast scramble. This isn't your typical scrambled eggs. It's a nutritious and delicious alternative that will leave you feeling satisfied and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. This is a dish that'll wake up your taste buds and fuel your body with a powerhouse of nutrients. Imagine starting your day with a meal that's not only tasty, but also packed with everything your body needs to function at its best. We're talking protein, fiber, and flavor, all in one glorious bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Plus, it's high in fiber, which helps keep you full and aids in digestion. First things first, we need to cook up our quinoa. This step is crucial because properly cooked quinoa is the foundation of our dish. Follow the same steps as before. Rinse the quinoa, boil the water, add the quinoa and a pinch of salt, then simmer for about 15 minutes until it's tender and the water is absorbed. This process ensures that the quinoa is light and fluffy, perfect for our scramble. While that's cooking, let's prepare our veggies. Fresh vegetables add not only color and texture, but also a wealth of vitamins and minerals to our breakfast. Dice up some onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms. These vegetables are my go-to for a classic scramble because they provide a great balance of flavors and nutrients. You can use any veggies you like, but these are my go-to for a classic scramble. Feel free to get creative and use whatever you have on hand. Spinach, tomatoes, zucchini. The possibilities are endless. Heat up a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Olive oil is a healthy fat that adds a nice flavor to our dish. Add the diced veggies and cook until they're softened and slightly browned. This step is important because it brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables and adds depth to our scramble. We want a bit of color and caramelization to add depth of flavor. The slight browning of the vegetables enhances their taste and makes our dish even more delicious. Now it's time to add some spice to our lives. Spices not only add flavor, but also have numerous health benefits. Sprinkle in some cumin, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. These spices add a warm, earthy flavor and a bit of a kick to our scramble. Don't be afraid to adjust the spices to your liking. Everyone's palate is different, so feel free to add more or less of each spice to suit your taste. If you like it hot, go ahead and add a bit more cayenne. A little extra heat can really wake up your taste buds and make the dish more exciting. Now push the veggies to one side of the pan and crack in a couple of eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and help bind everything together. Cook them until they're just set, then scramble them all together with the veggies. This ensures that the eggs are cooked through but still soft and creamy. Now for the star of the show, the cooked quinoa. Quinoa adds a wonderful texture and nutty flavor to our scramble. Add it to the pan and stir everything together until it's heated through. This step ensures that all the flavors meld together and the dish is evenly heated. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. This is your chance to make sure everything is just right. We want this scramble to be bursting with flavor. Every bite should be a delightful mix of textures and tastes. And there you have it, the savory quinoa breakfast scramble. It's a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. The vibrant colors of the vegetables and the fluffy quinoa make this dish look as good as it tastes. Serve it up with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for an extra touch of freshness. The yogurt adds a creamy tang, while the herbs bring a burst of flavor and color. This scramble is so good you'll forget you're eating healthy. It's a perfect example of how nutritious food can also be incredibly tasty. It's packed with protein from the quinoa and eggs, fiber from the veggies, and a whole lot of flavor from the spices. This combination makes it a well-rounded meal that will keep you full and satisfied. This is a breakfast that'll keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. No more mid-morning hunger pangs or energy crashes. Just pure, sustained energy to power you through your day. There you have it, you lot. 2 incredible quinoa breakfast recipes that are guaranteed to kickstart your day and help you on your weight loss journey. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or reaching for those sugary cereals. These recipes are quick, easy, and bloody delicious. You'll love them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.